Hey guys, I've been doing a lot of comparison videos recently and I thought it would be a good idea to try something different for a video. Don't worry, this isn't the end of comparison videos. I've actually got one coming out on Friday, hopefully, and I just wanted to try something different and see how it goes. So I had a look around the internet for ideas and discovered a channel I used to watch. It's called Flat Earth Talk and does videos about,
He used to watch it because he used to believe it, but now he decided that he would like tap on it because he's not smart enough to understand.
Top 5 reasons I no longer believe in the globe. After wasting a quarter of an hour of my life on the video, I saw it had so many holes and problems in it that I just had to make a video on it. And remember, this guy has close to 100,000 subscribers on his channel, and just this video alone has 400,000
100,000. That doesn't even exist, therefore you're wrong.
A large number of people that the Earth is flat. So let's debunk it.
Statistically speaking, yo.
My name's Andrew, and I love God.
That's clearly flat, look at
So
that.
for the first part of the video, he goes on about how much he loves God and how he's crazy he believes in the flat Earth model. I'm going to skip this part and go to the arguments that he makes.
Yeah, well,
Here's
who's
the top
crazy
5
then?
reasons that I no longer believe in the global Earth in 2016. Number
And therefore,
1.
you ain't global. That's a nice play on words.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. Red Hot Chili Peppers.
That's right. Can't contradict
Did you
the
know
Chili
that there
Peppers.
is no real
Don't contradict them,
photo
don't
of
you
the Earth
dare.
from space? We're taught that these images are, but even
He's
NASA
right, look at it.
themselves openly admit
False.
that all these images are done in Photoshop. They are composite computer-generated images. And if you look close,
Because nobody
you
can
see all the discrepancies in
Well
each of
said.
them. How some of the continents do not match up.
So when the
I see a
quote
little
states
bit
that
more
there's
discrepancies. I see my
what it
penis.
actually
Oh,
means is
never
that
mind.
different pictures of parts of the Earth are taken and put on top of each other to make a full picture. If you didn't know, the Earth is very, very big.
Yeah,
To get a
right.
shot with the whole thing
There's
in,
me.
you
There
have
it
to
is
be
again.
pretty far away from it, which isn't easy.
Very
However,
big. I got
it
you
has been
very
done,
big.
and there are actually images out there of the
Well,
entire
yeah, it's
Earth.
not easy because you
I don't
can't get
actually
there.
think
There's
all
a
of the
dome.
images he showed are composites anyway. This image was taken by the crew of the Apollo 17
None of that's the
spacecraft.
entire. Look at
It's
that.
not
What's that?
composite.
Canada up top?
They got the
That's
whole
what that
planet
is.
in one
And
photo.
look at the bottom.
And for the part
Obviously,
where it shows North
Antarctica.
America being
We'll
in a
consider the
different
subject.
size in 2 different images, I wouldn't say that's a fair comparison to make, because in the 2 images you're looking at completely different parts of the Earth. Look at the 2007 image. You can see all of South
never
America,
said you weren't, did
and
he?
in the 2012 version,
Right.
it's looking from a completely
Bloody
different
God,
angle.
the wanker.
You can barely even see parts of South America. The 2007 version
different
is
angle.
clearly
It's all about
showing
the
most
angle.
of the North
Right.
American
Angle's a big
continent on
word.
the second image. And with 1 second's thought, I'm sure he could have figured that out
Which
for himself.
obviously makes
Okay, so
no
after
point
this
at
bit,
all.
he
He's
talks
just
about
contradicting
what
for the
looks
sake
like
of
NASA writing in
contradiction,
the clouds of
isn't
their
it?
images.
This isn't an
I'm going to
argument.
skip out this part because judging by how sensitive
NASA.
YouTube is
How many
these
R's
days,
in
I
NASA?
might get demonetized.
Every aspect of space footage is fake. We've seen water
It's clear
bubbles and
fake. You can
footage.
see them fake. Why
In
would he
this
be on the
clip, he claimed
space
that
station?
water
Freezing
bubbles
cold with
could
no
be seen in
shoes.
footage in space. Aside from the fact that there was no evidence for this in the video, I don't see how a water
He
bubble
didn't
in
say
space
there's a
would prove
water
that
bubble in
space
this,
is
you
fake.
bloody nit.
And if you're talking about those balls of water
Oh,
that form in
with his
footage
socks.
from the
He's got his
ISS and
stocking
referring
feet.
to those as bubbles, the lack of gravity is actually what allows them to become spheres.
That's true.
I'll leave
Why
a
did
link
they
in
do
the
that? They
description
made
to an
it.
article that explains this process a lot better than I could.
Other discrepancies such as flimsy
Oh, yeah,
hatch
leave it in the
lids,
links,
which
'cause no one's
clearly
gonna go
show
look
this
and
is
leave it
not
in the
real
links. Come on.
whatsoever.
I'm not sure about you, but I don't
Now,
think
that's
the
a
flimsy
rubbish
door
can
on a
right there.
spacecraft
Bloody
proves that
obvious.
space is faked.
Footage from the ISS is easily faked.
Well, I don't think
using a
he's
green
saying it's
screen
not. Proves
and
it
what is
isn't.
known as a
This is
zero-G
clearly
plane,
hairspray.
as I'm sure of other methods as well. The plane flies
As in
high up in
airplanes.
the air, and then does a basic nosedive, producing an environment where everything is just in free fall. We can see here that this woman seems a little bit on edge.
I happen to be a
and is
skydiver, and it's
clearly
right, it's
feeling
true, I've
unsafe,
done that, it's a lot of
as I
fun.
imagine most would in a plane that's in a free fall.
Skydive.
I don't know if you realise this, but the woman and her surroundings are actually in a freefall. When you're in a space station, or any other satellite for that matter, you're constantly falling towards Earth. The gravity at the altitude of the ISS is almost the same as the gravity on the surface. So why did astronauts just plunge to the ground?
Yeah, you're in
What
free
happens
fall
is
if
when
you could
rockets
be.
go
Like
to
you say,
space,
satellites.
they
There are no
always thrust
satellites either, are there?
This means that while it is in fact falling towards the centre of the Earth, the
I
surface
got
of
you
the Earth
thrust
curves away
sideways.
beneath it, so it misses all the time.
You know, and
it's just a
with the
money-making
Antarctica
scheme.
was on that, but they
NASA
didn't
alone
touch
pulled
that.
in a
And
whopper.
look at this
Wait,
guy.
wait.
He's
Can
got
you
his,
see a
he's got
harness
his,
and
what you
ropes
call
on
his
this clip?
tallywhacker at
I
the back of
honestly
his
can't.
back.
Either my eyes
He's got
aren't
his
working
mate
or
on the other
there's
side,
actually
and that's
nothing
why.
here.
Look at the guy on the
I'm gonna
left,
get
he's
some
a
comments
fucker, isn't he?
pointing out
Isn't
that
it?
his shirt
Yeah,
looks
come
like
on.
it's being pulled
We
up
know
by a
what's
string.
really going on there,
However,
don't we?
that's something that's important to remember is
Oh, no.
that this
No,
all
it's
happening
because
in
there's no
zero
gravity, so
gravity.
therefore his shirt, like,
That part of
sticking
his
out. You
shirt
know
has
what's
no reason
sticking
to
out of
fall
there,
down.
come on.
I see a lot of these harness videos about space, but even if they were
real, you do flat Earth. See, that's the shape of Earth right there. That'd be closer.
$18.5 billion in
now
2016.
How many R's in honest? There's a silent H, which that's another thing altogether, silent H. I had a friend Harry, he had a hard time.
This one always makes me laugh because a quick Google search can show you how NASA uses the money.
What you really want to do is
also, don't you think it's funny how nobody has ever indicated that NASA officials are taking loads of money for themselves? According to NASA, they have a total of 18,000 employees, and there are countless other companies associated with them. Don't you also think it's funny how none of the people associated with NASA have slipped and said that it's all fake?
Is that what it is? How many?
Also, even if NASA or another space organizations caught fake
to do
footage,
what? To make fake little Photoshop pictures of Earth. There's no pictures of the moon in color. There have been color photographs since before Apollo. But
last time I checked, a ball shape has to have a curve somewhere. But in fact, once you truly look, you will find none. Anywhere.
That's right.
There's none.
Man, that ball should be my uncle.
Proof of this is in objects that can be seen from certain distances over water.
See, now that's obviously a non-Photoshop photo. It's bloody true, right? For anybody who's been to Chicago, if you watch the Blues Brothers, they actually do 120 miles an hour in an old cut car.
This is a convincing argument, but if you look closely, it's pretty easy to debunk in this case. That tall building on the left is called Willis Tower. It's about half a kilometre to the very top.
If you can't make your point simply, you don't know what the hell you're talking about, do you? So he takes a picture of a building, and it's not even a picture.
It looks like the base
now he puts it in really tiny. Now why couldn't he have zoomed in a bit and made this actual like live size? He
goes on about a couple of other examples of tall things at great distances, but forgets the elevation of the camera, so it's not really worth talking about them.
Yeah,
the only reason to doubt this fact is from false curvature that you've been shown in many aspects. And we must not forget the mass deception shown to us from evil corporations such as NASA.
No, I'm not entirely sure if that image is using a fisheye lens. But if it was, don't you think it's weird that
parts of the station before that Elon Musk character and his
even if you did prove that all the images of Earth are fake, that doesn't prove that the Earth isn't round, only that the images of the Earth are fake. We would have still had loads of other ways of proving the Earth is a globe. Heck, the ancient Greeks wanted to prove the Earth was round, and look at the level of technology they had back then. So really, you flat earthers should have gone extinct thousands of years ago.
And even our own public schooling systems, or as I like to call them, the indoctrination centers. The textbooks in our schools are written in favor of the elite. Number 3, no movement. Movement of the Earth, whether it is the 1,000-mile-per-hour spin, wobble on its axis, or the blindingly
if
fast
I was on
speeds
a good trip right here, that's the trip I want to have. Right there, down the center of it, just right high and hard up the middle.
History. It's never been measured or have been found to move, and just speculated in theories. It's perfectly still, and we can prove this using science and repeatable experiments.
Well, you'll be surprised to know that the Earth's rotation, its orbit around the Sun, and even the Sun's orbit around the galaxy can be measured and observed. Do you really think scientists just pluck these numbers out of the air?
Of course
the motion of the stars are perfectly explained by a rotating Earth, and why the Sun appears at different altitudes at different times of year. The strange motion of the planets in the sky over time is perfectly explained by the heliocentric model. If the planets went in a circle around the sky, it would be evidence supporting the geocentric model.
And the full moon just spins right
above
they
actually wobble in their
the whole time. Never sets, just spins. Explain that on your heliocentric. Not that I'm a flat earther, but good God, this man's taking way too long to make a point that makes no point.
The sun around the galaxy.
Here's the cool part. Watch closely and take your favorite, whatever it is you like to take, and here we go.
Using loads of this data, it's possible to measure the sun's speed.
And he's just talking, because he doesn't know what he's talking about. Again, if you can't put it simply, you don't know what you're talking about.
Feel speed,
so he's just, of course.
For example, when you're sitting in a car and it suddenly accelerates, you feel pushed back into your seat.
I like to do this to me kids.
This is because the car's accelerating and you are not. However, after a while, things start to feel more comfortable. But of course, he forgets to slam on the brakes and watch him hit the windshield. Funny stuff. This happens because you're now moving at the same speed as the car, so you're not actually moving relative to the car.
Because we're on flat Earth, and you got a windshield. Without a windshield, obviously, and you took flight, you wouldn't be in the same spot, would you? Because the Earth would move underneath you.
The debris disk was spinning, so therefore the Earth spins as well. What's important to remember is that the material we're
it's all wrong there. Look at that. Everything's sideways.
When it formed.
What, 23-degree angle equals 666, right?
is an instrument that will retain its rigidity in
I happen to be
space
Viking,
and should appear to
and
turn
we invented the
if the
sextant, which
surface
made
it
it
is on
great
is
for
rotating,
attacking northern
such as the
European
Earth
countries
should.
that deserved it.
So in fact, if the Earth were
He
spinning
loses
at all,
me here, I
we
don't
would
know why,
notice this
so I'll
movement
just
in the
babble on
gyroscope.
because I don't know what he's
However, we
talking
can
about,
see
so
that we
might sort of
observe no
babble.
motion.
But
We are
obviously, the
perfectly
clock
still
is dangling
and
there,
going
so
nowhere.
therefore the experiment
Okay,
is
so this is where it gets
correct,
really
right?
embarrassing. The
Now
assumption
look,
you're
now
making in the
there's
video is that gravity pulls you down
there's
objectively,
Antarctica.
no
Look how
matter where
big it
you
is.
are.
It's bloody
Truth
huge,
is,
and
it
it's
actually
flat on
pulls you to
top.
the
You see
centre of
that?
mass,
Flat
in
on
this
top.
case,
So
the
this
Earth.
proves it.
So no matter
Therefore,
what time of
he's
day it
wrong.
is, the
And you can't
gyroscope
see the
will always
Viking
align with
Island
the
in this one
direction it's
because,
pulled,
and
which
Iceland
is
would be
always
right
to
there,
the
wouldn't
centre
it?
of the Earth.
But
This
Antarctica,
argument, in my
it's bloody
opinion, is
huge,
just as
and that's
ridiculous
your
and
ice wall,
laughable
but
as
it
the
actually
argument
goes
that
all the
you
way around.
can
See on the
live
top and the
of the
bottom,
Earth
and a little
as you
bit on
fall
the
off
edge there.
anywhere else.
That's the ice wall. It's there. Now look, the clock is dangling, but the gyroscope is...
The Michelson-Morley experiment also found that